expand f of z equal to z by z minus 1 into minus in the Lorentz series. First we mod z less than 1 means the interior part of the unit circle is the 1 0, this is minus 1 0, this is 0 1, this is 0 1. The interior part of the unit circle. This is the unit circle. We have to find every point inside the unit circle. We have a series. Which has convergence in the region. Then this can be written as by expanding this. We have to find 1 by z minus 1 plus 2 by 2 minus z. Then taking common negative sign, we find 1 minus z. Taking common 2, we find z by 2. Then 1 minus z by 2 inverse. By applying binomial theorem, we get this. Then taking 1 on cancel, taking common z, we find taking common z, we have minus z, we have to find 1 minus of half, again z square, 1 minus 1 by 4 also. Then this can be written in the series form for n equal to 1 to n, z to the power n 1 minus 2 by 1. By putting n equal to 1, we get z 1 minus half. That is the first term. By putting n equal to 2, we get the second term. So this is the general term, or this is the nth term. Nth term goes to n power h. Summation this by multiplying the negative sign, we find the this term. To find a series in this region, what is this region? 1 less than mod z less than 2. Then we find a unit circle. This above this mod z greater than 1, and this is the mod z equal to 2. Below the mod z less than 2, we find the mod z less than 2. In this region, mod z greater than 1, mod z less than 2, because this circle is mod z equal to 2, this circle is mod z equal to 1. Then we find a annulus. This is called the annulus. We find the annulus. In the annulus, we find a series. Whatever z, we find a series. That series satisfies all the value inside the annulus. Then this can be converted as, this extension can be converted as 1 by z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. Taking negative sign, we find 2 by z minus 2. Then difference of 2 terms. We have to write difference of 2 terms. Then taking z equal to, suppose we choose a point, because this is the 1 point, this is 2 point. We choose inside this a number. Suppose 1.5 a number. By putting this, z minus 1 is positive, z minus 2 is negative. If z minus 1 is positive, then taking z, then taking common z. This term is negative, then taking minus 2. Then otherwise you think that 1 less than mod z less than 2, that means 1 by mod z less than 1 and mod z by 2 less than 1. Which is less than? Those terms less than 1, which power convergence is. Suppose 1 by z less than 1, then we find 1 by z, 1 by z square, 1 by z 2, then it is must be convergent. Z by 2 less than 1, that means you putting the binomial theorem, 1 by z minus 2, then z by 2 whole square cube, that should be also convergence. Then we find a series and another series. This can be written as n term. By putting n equal to 1, we find z to the power minus 1. By putting n equal to 2, we find z to the power minus 2. then also there will be 1 minus 3. And the general series is this. The general series by open this, we find this by putting n equal to 0. Suppose it is putting n equal to 0, we find it 1 by 2. Then there is extra term, that is 1 also. Individual, which is the correlation with the sum of negative and positive. Okay. Then you have to find this. I have to solve 4. Sum 4. Here z minus 1 or 1 greater than 1. So what is the center? What is the center? 1. What is the radius? 1. So what is the center? If the center is 1, 1 0, center is 1 0, radius is 1, then in this circle you have to find convergence. Center is 1, also radius is 1, but this is the interior circle or exterior? Exterior. So we find the outside of this circle. We check the outside of that circle. Whatever z, then z must be here in this region. So z minus 1 greater than 1. By putting this can be converted as this by putting z minus 1 equal to u equal to z minus 1. Then this region converted to u mod u greater than 1. That means mod u greater than 1. Then what is the center? 1. What is the center of u? 1 0. Not 1 0. We find u because this is the this is u, because this is the 0 0, center is 0 0, radius is 1. That means all over u greater than 1. Here u greater than 1. Then we converted this region as standard form. Then this is also obviously inside this region. Inside, this is the subset. This is the subset. This is the subset part. We convert to this by putting u equal to 1.5. Suppose choose a number u which is greater than 1. Suppose u equal to 1.5. We converted f of z as what is it? U plus 1. F of u plus 1. We converted f of z, that means f of u plus 1. The difference of two terms. The difference of two terms. After difference, we choose a number. We choose a number which is greater than 1. Which is greater than 1. That means outside this region, not this region. Outside this region. We choose a number outside this region. Suppose 1.5. This point is 1.5. If you put 1.5, this term is positive. U is positive. Then what is u minus 1? U minus 1 also positive. If a number is positive, u minus 1 is positive. So u is positive. Then you stop. If u minus 1 is positive, what you taking common? U taking common. So taken as u. Then 1 minus 1 by u. Because if u mod u greater than 1, that means 1 by u less than 1. If we expand this series as 1 by u squaring cubic, then the r infinite term, then the series must be convergent. So this can be written 1 plus 1 by u square up to infinite. Then 1 by u minus 2 by u minus 2 by u. This can be written as by putting what is u? If u equal to z minus 1, what is it? What is it? Q plus 1, getting Q plus 1. By putting u equal to z minus 1, then you find the switch, which is the required Lorentz switch.